Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 2 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teacher guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 5, modes of transport. Our topic is punctuation and action words. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize and apply capitalization to the initial letter of the first word of a sentence and to the initial letter of the names of people, pets and places. Recognize that a sentence ends with some form of punctuation like full stop. Identify and use more common action words. I hope you are familiar with the use of capital letters and full stop because we have discussed in your previous class too. When we capitalize the letters, when the sentence starts, we capitalize the first letter of the first word. And when we add full stops, when our sentence and our statement ends, we add full stop to indicate that the sentence is ended here. Any concept, any idea, any message is ended here. So let's do it. Arrange the following jumble up words into sentences. Do not forget to use capital letters and full stop. This activity is in your textbook, page number 31. The first one here is: the fell leaves from the trees. These sentences, the words in this sentence is jumble up. इधर इधर हुआ है, सही ऑर्डर में नहीं है, इनको हमने सही ऑर्डर में रखना है ताकि ग्रामेटिकली इसका स्ट्रक्चर ठीक हो जाए और इसका कोई सही मीनिंग निकल कर आए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फेल लीव्स फ्रॉम ट्रीज. द, तो इसको हम कैसे ठीक करेंगे? द लीव्स फेल फ्रॉम the trees. If you read it, you will recognize that these words are not in correct order. These are jumbled up. So, you have to write them in the correct order, like this one. The leaves come first here as the subject. Fell is a verb, the action, and the object is what? Yes, trees. As you can see, T is capitalized here because it is the start of the sentence and it is the first letter of the first word of the sentence. So that's why we have capitalized it. And also remember that we also capitalize the first letter of specific names of person, pets, things and places. B here: was she hungry and thirsty? She was hungry and thirsty. See? And Jack and Jill went up the hill. Here the Jack and Jill is what? Yes, the specific name here. The specific names here. So what we will do? Yes, we will capitalize the first letter of it and write them in a correct order. Jack and Jill went up the hill. We have capitalized the first letter of both Jack and Jill because this is a specific name. It's a proper noun. We always capitalize the first letter of proper noun. D here: Dumpty Humpty on set wall are. Here the Dumpty Humpty is a specific noun here. So what we will do it? Humpty, Dumpty, sat on a wall. This is the right order of it. Humpty, Dumpty. The H and D of both words will be capitalized because this is a specific noun, proper noun hai ye. Let's move forward. The last one here, reading. I am a book. I am reading a book. That I is capitalized here because it's a pronoun, and pronoun I will always be capitalized. We have added a full stop in all the sentences because it is the end of the sentence, end of any statement. Let's do the question number 4. Add ed to the following verbs. This is the first form of verb. Walk, play, talk, pick, stay, hop, create, call. This is the first form of verb, and we have to change it in what? Yes, the second form of verb. We have to change from present simple to past simple. Walk, we have to add ed to it. Walked. Play, played. Talk, talked. Pick, picked. Stay, simply add ed to it to make it past simple or make it a second form of verb. Hope, hopes. Create, created. Call, called. All these words are action words. What we will call it? Yes, action word. These are all action. Action words or verb. Verb is a part of speech which indicates to an activity, a physical activity or experience. So these are our action word. The first form of it we have changed it into second form. Like we walk, we play, talk and pick. These are all action word here. We have discussed the concept of action words in your previous class too. I hope you are familiar with it. Now let's do this one. Word study. Make 3 words beginning with CL. Do you remember the concept of consonant cluster? Cluster is like the combination of 2 letters or 3 letters. इधर हमारे पास कितने letters हैं? 2 letters हैं. तो consonant cluster वो होता है जिसमें consonant words हो, sounds हो. आपके vowel sounds कौन से हैं? A, E, I, O, U. और बाकी जितने भी आपके sounds हैं जैसे कि C, L, G, W, Z, etc. These are all consonant sounds. And we have the consonant cluster here. Cluster, the combination of 2 letters. अब हमने ऐसे words बनाने हैं जो एक साथ sound करते हैं, consonant cluster हो जिसमें, और वो एक साथ sound produce करते हैं, create करते हैं. For example, the word is class, clap. What will be the third one? Yes, cloud. See, it's very easy. You can think so many words. The second one, make 3 words beginning with PL. So this is another consonant cluster. Can you think of any word? Yes, plate, play. I want you to write the third word by yourself. This is your task from summer pack, page number 44. We have an activity here. Choose the word with capital letter. So I have told you, and we also discussed in your previous lessons in class 2, what are the pronouns or capital letters. Why we capitalize the first letter of any specific name, of country, person, pet, thing. Like your name is proper noun, your name is a specific noun. We have to capitalize the first letter of your name, your teacher name, your school name, your country name, your city name is proper noun. So let's do this activity here. Number 1 is Wasim. Yes. Here. Can you identify the capital letter? Yes. Wasim here. The whole word is identified here. Another one. It's very easy. The words with the capital letter, Minare Pakistan, English book, Pakistan, HP. These are specific These are the specific name of person, place or things. So it was a very easy activity. The activity to choose the correct option. So which one is correct here? Yes, this one is correct here because I is capitalized, L is capitalized because it's a specific name of a city, Lahore, and we have, yes, full stop at the end. We don't have the full stop in this one, and the letters are not capitalized in this one. Look here, this one, my name is Ali. Which one is correct here? Yes, this one here, A. The first letter of the first word is capitalized. Ali is a specific name, A is capitalized, and we have full stop here. I want you to do the remaining sentences by yourself. Identify the correct option from these. This is your home task from Summer Pack. Encircle the action word. I have discussed with you the action words earlier in the lesson. Action words are those which indicates to an action. Like some activity is going on, some action is done. The first one is, yes, sharing is an action word. Playing, swimming, floating, running, eating. So I want you to identify the action word from this activity. This is your home task, and the activity 2 here. Underline the action word in the given sentences. There are 10 sentences here. You have to identify the action word in the sentences. The first one here, the bird is flying. Yes, the flying is an action word. The second one, mother and Salma. Sorry. The second one, mother and Samia went to zoo. Went is an action word. The third one, a dog ran away. Yes, ran is an action word. The fourth one, I see a big cat. See is an action word here. So you have to identify all the action word in the remaining sentences. It's another home task from Summer Pack, page number 46. Match picture with the correct action. Write the correct number under the picture. You have been given pictures here which shows action. The one is playing football, the one is like yawing, woke up from the sleep. This one is cooking here. The boys are playing. It's wearing shirt. It's playing with the dog. So you have to write it here. For example, this picture is what? He's playing football. He's playing basketball. Yes, this one is matches with it. Kamran shoot a basket. You have to write it here. Kamran shoot a basket. इस तरह जो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन जिस पिक्चर के साथ मैच हो रही है आपने वो यहाँ पर बॉक्सेस में लिखनी है. एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक. आपने ये टेक्स्ट पढ़ना है जो आपकी यूनिट 5 से है और इसमें से जितने भी एक्शन वर्ड्स हैं आपने आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं और प्रॉपर नाउन भी. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.